as you know what, it's really hot.
Yeah, and then we actually made appointment to go to one clinic at 10 in the morning, 10 a.m. in the morning.
But it's already 11:15.
But it's already 11 something. As you know, Bali time, kapan. So it means like, it's okay to be late. I'm so sorry. This is Sunday, so we woke up a little bit late today. So yeah, I hope that. But we already made appointment, so no worries about that. And
so we're
yeah.
heading to Sanur, by the way.
So now we are heading to one clinic in Sanur, and then we will make a kind of test so Damian could fly. Damian can fly domestic later. Ooh, where are we going? Where are you flying?
Yeah, you can already comment where you're going when you're flying. I'm not gonna say single word until I'm gonna get a positive result of the test.
What
I mean,
positive?
negative.
You got positive, you have to stay home.
I mean, negative result, but positive. I mean, this will be all good. My English so bad. Don't worry about that. No, everybody knows this piece of, you know what.
Yeah, because nowadays the requirement to travel domestic is that you have to show the result of your rapid test. So first of all, you need to make a rapid test before you book the flight. So check it out where we are going to the clinic.
Just after the testing.
So after the test, well, actually that when we were in the clinic, we are not allowed to take pictures or videos. I'm so sorry guys, we didn't take any pictures or videos.
But I think it's actually quite obvious, right? As they don't gonna allow you to.
Wherever you go, I think that in the hospital also, that's the rule, you know.
Yeah.
So if you ask us why we decided to go to the clinic, because it's not many people, and then also we went here based on the appointment, so there is not many people here, and then
very cozy place.
Very cozy place, aircon inside, and then the doctors and the staff are so friendly and explain everything very well.
They even speak English.
Right, and then you know guys, I just wanna told you when Damian was inside, I
cover my eyes like a small baby.
A little kid, you know.
Like a little kid, I just said,
He's just afraid of the what is it? The syringe and everything.
Yeah, I just don't like this stuff, you know. But
alright.
Test is done.
Test is done.
I will show you.
I will show you the result. Non-reactive. So congratulations, you are very healthy.
Of course, I feel healthy also. I'm healthy, I feel healthy.
Yeah.
Alright, so all is done, and probably you will ask me how much it cost. This was rapid test. I just paid 150,000.
No matter what visa you have, you are on tourist visa, you are kitab, you are local.
Doesn't matter.
Doesn't matter.
The price
150. All of you.
Yeah, the price is fixed. Even they have when you enter to the apothec, they have a sign as 150 for rapid test.
And 10 minutes finish, so you don't need to wait for a long time.
Yeah, only 10 minutes.
This is very fast service, so good. Highly recommend it. So whenever you want to travel domestic and then you live around Denpasar or Sanur, just go to the Kimia Pharma in the bypass Sanur.
Yeah, and also one thing very important, if you travel domestically, like going to Jakarta or wherever, you don't need to have any other kind of test, just the rapid test, and doesn't matter you are foreigner or local, right?
Yeah.
Only rapid test. Okay.
And the same price, 150.
Yeah, because I know it's in some places are special price for
all right, so now it's time, because we know already Damian's result test non-reactive, is not positive. I'm so happy for that. So now we will head to airport because we need to buy the ticket for him. Okay, so it's super hot nowadays
Yeah, I
in
need to
Bali.
pull over to buy
So
some
before we
drinks.
go to the airport, we decided to buy a drink. And then maybe some of you are asking, like, want to know that how long the rapid test is valid for. Well,
Yeah.
actually, the doctor inside said it's valid for 2 weeks.
2 weeks.
So you can travel by bringing the rapid test result from the doctor just for about 2 weeks. So you can bring it wherever you go.
Yeah.
Okay, let's have a drink. Oh, I like to catch this one.
Alright, so we are now in the domestic airport in Denpasar.
So we are in domestic airport actually, and then we plan to buy the ticket here because last time Damiana got a technical problem in booking online, so that's why we decided to go to the airport and then buy it.
Yeah. See you after that. Alright, so I just got my ticket. We come back. It's so cold, by the way. Oh my god. We bought the ticket in the office, obviously because of the technical problems. So tomorrow I'm
So this is
going
the ticket,
somewhere.
actually.
If you wanna buy the ticket right now, the three important things is you have to have. First is the rapid test if you travel domestically. Then you buy the ticket, and you have to register the special application on your mobile phone. It's called e-hack,
Yeah, electronic health card.
something like that. I will feel it tomorrow actually when I'm fly, and if you don't know, the super nice lady in the counter said somebody will to help me to feel it, because obviously this is first time when I'm gonna fly after everything has started.
Okay, so my question, are you excited?
Are you excited where I'm going?
Yeah.
Or are you asking people, because I got confused? I'm excited. If you're excited, comment below where Damian is going tomorrow, because we prepared for you some little surprise. For one person who gonna properly comment below where Damian is going tomorrow, we will send you gift surprise, mystery gift. I hope so you will enjoy. We're not gonna tell you what is it, but comment below where Damian is going.
I think that you already follow us whenever we got the first preparation to what is it for travel domestic is the rapid test.
Yeah.
So we already did that. Tick.
I did.
And then second, we bought the ticket. Maybe some of you just asking, why didn't you buy the ticket first and then you take the rapid test later on? Well, we're thinking that this is too risky. I mean, like, if we bought the ticket first and then take rapid test, that we never know that maybe the result is reactive or something like that.
Exactly.
So we will just waste of money. So for you guys, the suggestion, if you want to travel domestic, first of all, what you need to do is doing the rapid test first. So if you know already the result, and then just buy the ticket.
Yeah.
Yeah. So this is how to prepare yourself to travel domestic. And as what Damian said, just please comment below where Damian is going, because there will be mystery gift for you.
Mystery gift. And
And then you can put hashtag mystery gift from Mr. and Mrs. Monkeys.
just send where I going, and we
Yeah.
will ship this internationally.
Wow.
So doesn't matter where you're from. We cover all the costs, so don't you worry.
Oh, you just still wait at home and then the mystery gift will come to you. Okay, so alright guys, I think that's all our video today, and then you already watch and everything. So thank you for watching and see you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow. See ya, take care, and don't miss tomorrow's vlog because it will be already travel vlog. See ya, take care.